wasn't expecting that. What is up, folks? Welcome and welcome back. So on this episode, we're gonna react to the Pentatonics Bohemian Rhapsody. This was done 6 years ago, so I'm not really familiar with this one, to be honest. It's my first time even checking out this song by the Pentatonics. I do hope they've blown my mind away because they never seem to fail me yet, and I'm not thinking that they will fail me now. So people, without further ado, oh yes, and love from Jamaica, greetings from Jamaica. So I'm not really sure if a lot of Jamaicans are familiar with the Pentatonics, but hopefully they do. So I want to see what they're up to right now. Let's dive into what they have to say in this one. Peace.
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality.
Oh my god. Wow. Wow, this is fantastic. Really fantastic.
Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. Ooh. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy. 'Cause I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low.
Guys, they look so young here. Oh man, they all look so young. Wow. Oh god, guys, this is 6 years ago, guys, and I mean, like, they all look so young. Darn it.
Any way the wind blows doesn't really matter to me. To me. Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head.
Guys, I've heard so many Bohemian Rhapsody covers, but the Pentatonic sound stands out on top. I ain't capping, there's so much Bohemian Rhapsody that I've reacted to, but the Pentatonics, they've stand out on top. I mean, like, the synchronization, the vocals, the way they unite, it gives this song a bigger flair. Right? There's so much fire that is coming from this song. I can't seem to get out of that fire. The fire is literally making me heated, bro. Let's continue. I love it.
Pull my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun.
That's my door here, man.
But now I've got it, thrown it all away.
He's my favorite.
Mama, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on.
Guys, they are just too good to do this. Right? They are just too good to do this. There are so much people out there who's trying their best to give in their best side to do a cover onto the Bohemian Rhapsody song. But the Pentatonics with the crew killed it. Right? They demolished this. They killed it. They just, darn it, man. Oh man, yo, the Pentatonics is dope, bro.
As if nothing really matters.
They're getting up.
Too late. My time has come.
Come on, bro. Do it, bro.
Send shivers down my spine.
Right now.
Body's
They're talking about shivering down my spine, bro. This song is giving me chills right now. Right? The entire crew is giving me chills when they sing, bro.
Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind and face the truth. Mama, the wind blows. I don't wanna die. I sometimes wish I'd never been born at all.
Oh, jeez. Okay, okay. Yeah, bro, we heard you. We've heard your voices, man. Voices are powerful when it combines together, and the pentatonics is a perfect example of that. Like, this is way too beautiful. Hey, the harmonization of the crew is perfectly harmonizing. So sick. Hey, the quick transition is what? Hey, everyone is just so ta-na-na, ta-na-na, then bum bum. Whoa! Hey, the pentatonics flair that they're adding to this song. And that is the reason why the pentatonics always seems to win on their side, because they had their own flames to hit to make it more spicy, because there's nothing at all to add on something on yours. Or to add on something that you're building on. There's nothing at all wrong with that. But when the pentatonics does that, it gives them the upper hand. They're absolutely winning right now.
I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Galileo, Figaro. I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. I'm just a poor boy from a poor family, in this life of this monstrosity.
Woo! I wasn't expecting that at all, bro. Like, guys, I'm sorry for my outburst. I just can't control that anymore. Like, bloody hell, bro. Darn it, man. Whoa, that was dope, man.
Easy come, easy go, will you let me go? Bismillah, no, we will not let you go. Let him go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let him go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let him go. We'll not let you go. Never will not let you go. Mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub, as the devil goes aside for me, for me, for me.
Oh, final, dog. Whoa! Whoa! And pentatonics, please continue. Please carry on. I'm loving this. Wow.
So you think you can stop me and spin my life? So you think you got me and leave me? So you think you can stop me and spin my life? So you think you can?
Whoa. To be honest, he's one of my next favorite because his voice is calm but deadly. If you understand what I'm saying, this is way too sick. The flow's on point, the rhythm's on point, the synchronization is on point, the unity is more on point. This is what? Whoa, the Pentatonics, they're darn good. They are absolutely darn good, bro. Whoa, whoa, this is amazing. I'm stunned right now. I'm so stunned.
Nothing really matters. Anyone can see. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters. Anyway, the wind
Wow, wow. I'm astonished by their performance. Guys, thank you so much for watching. What are your thoughts on this? I'll see you next time around. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button, share it to a friend telling him or her about this Jamaican reactor. So, in the next time, peace.